What is it that you want from your life? And let's create a plan to work your money around that dream life. And that's what I invite you to do. I'm here as your support system, and I want to build a relationship with you. So what's included in a coaching package is a dream session, a financial coaching session, and 2 follow-up sessions. Our first session is your dream session. What is it that you want? I put together a vision from our initial session of what I believe your dream life is. And from that vision, we'll carry that with us as we work on your money. From there, that's the basis of where we establish our financial coaching. Now we'll put a strategic plan in place that's personalized just for you, and what strategic items I think that you should follow next from our financial coaching session. Then we'll have a follow-up session. It's a support session. What can I do to support you and help keep you accountable? And then another support session, which is 3 to 4 weeks after that. You'll get a binder that has your vision, our coaching, and then any other work that we do together will also be in that binder. Money can be your friend. You do have support, and I can help you with that. I can be your support system, and I can walk you through to make your dreams a reality. Dream it, plan it, live it. Work your money around the life you have always imagined.